Wonderful. Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day in my life. So today's day is going to be absolutely crazy. There is so much that I'm gonna get done. So the highlight of today is that I'm gonna go and get a tattoo, my first ever tattoo. I've been talking about this for years. I feel like ever since I started my YouTube channel, I've been saying that this is the year that I'm gonna get a tattoo. This is the year I'm gonna get a tattoo. Never really ends up happening. So my word for 2022 is spontaneous, which is so not like myself, which is the whole point of it. And guess what? I don't even know what tattoo I'm getting done. How crazy is that? I feel like the reason why I haven't gotten a tattoo all these years is because I wasn't sure what I wanted, and I wanted to be so sure of what I wanted my first tattoo to be. And at this point I'm just like, I'm just gonna get something done and just get started, because I do want to eventually get quite a few tattoos, like really tiny ones. इतने ही कराने हैं मुझे, but बहुत सारे कराने हैं. That's the plan. But anyway, that's what's happening. Other than that, I am going to do something else that is going to be kind of spontaneous. You're gonna have to watch the video to see what that is. Just gonna go have some lunch at a nice restaurant that I've been meaning to go for a while. Maybe we'll even go bowling. Let's see where the day takes us. So yeah, so the first thing that I did when I woke up was I just got ready, because एक बार मैं ready हो जाती हूँ ना, then my day just keeps flowing. So I got that out of the way, but the most important task I need to get out of my way is to clean the house. Right now you can't see anything. Right now I've like cleaned everything so that it looks nice and clean and crisp, but in reality the house is a mess. Going on trips really messes up my studio, and I need to get on with it. So that's the first thing that I'm gonna do. I just think whenever I have like a nice clean space, I just am more productive in my mind. That's what I think. And like I can be more creative almost. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now before I move any further, let me show you guys the outfit that I have been wearing. The very comfortable outfit. I've been wearing the Bliss Club's ultimate leggings. Let's start off by talking about the material. So the material is very soft, very comfortable, and also it's very durable. My most favorite thing about these leggings is that it has 4 pockets. Can you imagine a legging with 4 pockets? So I can carry my phone, I can carry my car keys, a small little lipstick, my AirPods also with me. Not to forget that it has a super high waist band, so you don't have to feel uncomfortable. Like I personally feel very comfortable whenever I wear these leggings. The high waist band just helps you tone your body like no other product does. Of course, don't forget to check out Bliss Club's website. I'm obviously gonna make sure to link it in the description box below, and whenever you check out, you can use my code MRIDUL10 to get a discount. Now let's get on with the cleaning. Guess what? The most tedious task is out of the way. Done with the cleaning. Living room looks pretty good. I'm very proud of myself. I'm glad that I got it out of the way first thing in the morning. So now I can move on to all the fun things. And one more thing, how I kind of speed through cleaning is I like to listen to something that I enjoy. So recently I've been listening to a lot of different podcasts. If you want a podcast recommendation, I've been listening to Ranveer's podcast, which is called The Ranveer Show. It's been around for a while. I never really got around to listening it for whatever reason. I personally really enjoyed the podcast where there was IPS Shivnandan. Both the podcasts were really good. He has so many different people on his podcast. I saw recently he interviewed Shahid Kapoor as well. That's the next one that I really want to listen to. But yeah, I just put on my AirPods and then I can just speed through cleaning. So not as energetic as today morning. I'm checking in after like 1 hour. I just had to sit down on the bed and do nothing because my stomach started cramping. I might like start my period. So I really need to and want to get on with my day and do fun things. So I think the only solution is to like kind of fight it out, and I think I'm going to stretch a little bit because that always makes me feel better. So let's just indulge in a little bit of yoga, deep breathing, and hope that that works. I just got got done working out. Well, actually I wouldn't call it like working out, more like stretching and yoga, and I honestly can feel like a difference in my mood. I'm not just saying this for the video, I really can. So usually जब भी I am about to get my periods, obviously I'm cramping, I'm PMSing, and I have noticed that whenever I stretch, it does make me feel so much better. And of course the Bliss Club leggings were so amazing, very comfortable, not tight at all. They fit me like a glove and they just make everything so easy and effortless. So now before I actually change and get on with my day, there is something that I want to do which is very spontaneous. Let me just show you what I'm gonna do. I'm going to cut my hair. Nothing too drastic, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. I'm just gonna cut like quite a few inches off. Anyway, काफी dry हो गया. I want summer hair. I want a change. So I'm just gonna do it. I've been thinking about it for a while. You guys know this already if you've been following me for a while, that I cut my own hair. I've been cutting my own hair for 5-6 plus years, maybe even more than that. So I'm just gonna do it, and basically I'm just doing like a straight cut, so it's gonna be fine. It feels so wrong. Oh my god, when my hair feels so nice and healthy. Teda meda hai, I'll fix it, don't worry. Okay, it's definitely a little bit uneven, but you guys get the point. I'm gonna go and do it in front of a mirror and not ruin my hair. So, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna style it a bit and I'll get back to you guys. I'm all ready. I've kind of tried to style my hair. Still need to figure out how to do it. I've put on a cute new outfit. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So this is what my outfit looks like. I'm wearing the Bliss Club Ultimate leggings, and this is in the shade Bliss Black. Perfect staple. I feel like everyone needs to have one of these in their collection. And honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better outfit for today because I'm already cramping. I want to wear something comfortable but obviously look cute. So this is what I threw on. I threw on like a white shirt just to style it up. For a pop of color, a red bag, normal chappals, style my hair a bit, gold jewelry dal di, and this is what I'm gonna be wearing. I'm all ready for the day, finally running super late. Lunchtime आके चला भी गया, but कुछ तो खाना पड़ेगा. So let's leave. We're off. Just look how tiny my ponytail looks. So we're going to 90% Jam Jar Cafe. Actually जाना था Bastion, but Bastion वाले phone ही नहीं उठा रहे, and वहाँ पे I know that you need to make a table reservation. उसके बिना you're not gonna get in. So we're not risking it. We're going to Jam Jar Cafe. It's a cafe, so it's gonna be open throughout the day. कुछ सीन नहीं होगा, टेबल मिल ही जाएगा. और जाते अभी नारियल पानी भी लेंगे और एक केला भी ले लेंगे, because hunger pangs are a real thing for me. So yeah.
What's up, guys?
Also, Aditya is also getting a tattoo.
You कब हुआ?
You're not?
I don't know. I don't.
He's still thinking about it.
I don't think so. But if I go there and I find something that I really like, maybe.
Lunch. Jam Jar was okay-ish. Like I was expecting a lot. Like मैं जब से कॉलेज में थी तब से मैं ये जगह के बारे में सुन रही हूँ, देख रही हूँ फोटोज Zomato पे. But it was all right, to be very honest. Now we're going to get the tattoo done. I do have some things in mind. I am getting 2 tattoos done, at least that's the plan so far. And यहाँ से 6 minutes दूर है, so we should be there literally any minute, and I'm freaking out. So I'm actually wrong. It's just 2 minutes away. वो भी walking. So we're just gonna walk. Anyway, parking Bandra में मिलना is so difficult. So we're just gonna walk our way. So tattoo is done. I'll show you like the full reveal. I'll like talk about it in detail later once I get home maybe. But you won't believe me, just after we were done with lunch, I was thinking I want some frozen yogurt, and there's literally Froyo Land next to Al's. आजू बाजू कोई नहीं है तो मैंने मास्क उतार दिया है, बट आई वॉज क्रेविंग फ्रोयो एंड आदित्य पॉइंटेड आउट कि बाजू में ही फ्रोयो है एंड उसको भी खाना है, सो वी जस्ट गेटिंग सम फ्रोजन योगर्ट। आई थिंक मुझे देख के आदित्य का मन उतर गया टैटू करना, बट इट वॉज नॉट पेनफुल। आई टॉक अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दैट लेटर। इट वॉज नॉट पेनफुल, इट्स जस्ट डिस्कम्फर्ट।
I have vlogged it for you guys. You can see her expression and decide.
This is what my froyo looks like. So whenever I have frozen yogurt, I'll always do either cake batter या I'll do birthday cake या vanilla, ऐसा कुछ ही मैं करती हूँ as a base, and then I like to add in the toppings. So I love doing white क्या बोलते हैं, white chocolate chips, and then I love to do the vanilla crisps. फिर I love sprinkles. I also love waffle, थोड़ा मैं डाल देती हूँ, और फिर कोई कलरफुल क्यूट सा कुछ दिख गया वो भी मैं ऐड कर देती हूँ. कुकी डस्ट ऑल्सो आई लव. सो दोज आर लाइक माई स्टेपल्स एंड दैट इज़ वॉट आई लाइक टू स्टिक टू. ऑफकोर्स आदित्य ने किया है, आई मीन लिया है मैंगो. व्हाट इवन, दैट्स नॉट इवन अ क्वेश्चन. Just got done with everything. थोड़ा सा शॉपिंग भी कर लिया. And we were supposed to go bowling, but अभी वो लोग बोल रहे bowling में कि you need to wear smart casuals and Aditya's wearing shorts and slippers. So I don't think we're going to be allowed there. What's plan B?
We can go bowling some other place.
Some other place, yeah. We were supposed to go to Game Palacio. Game Palacio. I'm not saying it right. Game Palacio. Yeah? Yeah, so that's what we were supposed to do, but वो हुआ नहीं. By the way, I'm blotting my face because it's so hot. Let me actually show you what my blotting sheet looks like. It's disgusting. That's all the oil on the sheet. Aditya also wants to try it. You just dab. अरे दाढ़ी पे मत कर. हाँ. Okay, so I've come up with a genius plan, which is to just buy some clothes. So we are on Hill Road. सस्ते में हमें pants भी मिल जाएगी, shoes भी मिल जाएंगे. Why not? Because we can't come up with a backup plan. Aditya's not happy about this plan. But there's nothing else to do. I mean, there are lots of things to do. We're in Mumbai, but we can't think of anything to do. So let's just go with plan A. Let's try to make plan A work.
मेरे पास कोई और रास्ता है.
Stop number 1 is to buy some shoes. यहाँ पे बहुत ऑप्शंस हैं लेने के लिए. How cool are these? मुझे खरीदने का मन हो गया.
So here you have Maddie trying to find a pair of jeans for me. I am not able to leave the car because this is Bandra and you don't get parking here.
ठीक है, चलो यही ले रही हूँ. ये देख.
हाँ तो जो ले वो. ये तो मेरा शॉर्ट्स का ही आगे एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन है. तो यार 1200 रुपए का खर्चा just because you want to go bowling in Game Palacio.
Tell everyone what just happened.
I have an achievement unlocked. Have you guys ever changed on the middle of Hill Road? I have.
But I mean, you were wearing like proper long
Boxers yeah, but still.
inside.
Hill Road पे.
Change कर लिया उसने to pants.
ये साहिल टाइप पैंट लग रही है.
I know, right? It's literally Sahil pants. That's what I was thinking when I bought it. Sahil pants is basically like checks वाली पैंट जो होती है ना. Sahil usually wears those. So whenever I see वो type के pants, I'm like, those are Sahil pants. So yeah. We are at Game Palacio and there's an arcade here as well. Let me show you what it looks like. I think it's pretty cool and there are lots of neon lights. So just makes it even better. There are 2 games that we like can't get over. The first one has to be air hockey and then the other one has to be the basketball, hoop shooting, whatever. So I think that's what we're gonna do right now. So I'm back home, as you guys can see, and it's been a long day. I think you can see that on my face also. I feel so tired, but also at the same time very fulfilled. Like it is such a nice happy day. I did so many things that I feel happy about. Like I cut my hair. That just brought like another level of happiness. I got a tattoo after years and years. Then we had some froyo, good food. We also ended up going to the bowling alley, which is again something that we did after years. Like COVID के पहले गए थे हम, अभी COVID के बाद like first time था हमारा. Anyway, coming back to the tattoo, I think you guys are waiting for the reveal. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. So this is what my tattoo looks like, and this is the quote that I got done. So it says, "This too shall pass," and this is my favorite quote of all time. Like, if anyone were to ask me ever कि आपका favorite quote कौन सा है, I would always say ये वाला है, and it just felt right to get it tattooed on. Now, what the meaning for me is कि basically this too shall pass is obviously when you're having a bad time, you can like think to yourself कि ये temporarily है, ये चले जाएगा थोड़े टाइम में. But also it works the other way. Whenever there are good things happening to you, I like to always remind myself कि this also will pass. So make the most of it, cherish it, feel happy, feel grateful, because this is also going to go away in the end. So that's the meaning for me, and it's just a really nice reminder to have it on my arm. I love the font. The font that I've used is called Amalfi Coast. Now talking a little bit more about the tattoo experience. So as tattoo के यहाँ पे मैं गई थी, which is on Hill Road, and most of my friends have gotten their tattoos from there, which is why it just felt right to go to them. They are a little bit more expensive, but also they are the best in Mumbai from what I've heard. They're very good at what they do. And मेरे tattoo के लिए I paid ₹5,000, which I know is a lot, but it was very thin lines and it's done very neatly. Obviously I don't understand a lot about tattoos. This is my first tattoo, so जो मुझे थोड़ा बहुत knowledge है उसके हिसाब से मैं बोल रही हूँ. They explain to you everything, like the post care, कैसे tattoo का ध्यान रखना है. So I'm just gonna follow everything that they've told me. But if there are some tips that I have taken away from this experience are, number one, if you want to save the 500 rupees on your consultation, make sure that you go in and, like, you know, you have a fixed idea already, so that you don't have to spend those extra 500 rupees. मेरा सब कुछ fixed था, मेरा font तक मैंने खुद ढूंढ के रखा था. He had to literally just type it out and print it out, so I did not have to pay the extra 500 rupees. That's point number one. उसके अलावा I think the only thing that I need to talk about is the pain tolerance. So I think, in my opinion, it was a 2 out of 10. It was just more uncomfortable than painful. Not too bad, and the location that I had chosen was not too bad in general. So with that, I'm gonna end today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I personally had a great time filming today. Also, this is your reminder to stay hydrated. You guys have been watching this video for at least 10 minutes at this point, so go grab a glass of water and hydrate now. Other than that, I also want to give a very big shout out to the Bliss Club leggings, the ultimate Bliss Club leggings. These have been so kind to me. I felt so comfortable in them, especially when like I was cramping. This was like the best thing ever. Very comfortable, very amazing. Link in the description. Go check it out and try it out for yourself. Almost forgot to show you what my hair looks like at the end of the day. This is my new look. ऐसा कुछ अलग नहीं है इतना, काफी similar ही है, but it's like really nice and new for me. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simpa Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.